Have you ever thought that once you reach college, life will change, that you will find ambitious, like minded people who will push you to grow? Well, I thought the same, but when I actually went there, the reality was completely different, and that experience taught me the biggest lesson of my life. Back in the junior college, I had this thought that once I join the degree college, I'll be surrounded by the people who are ambitious, who focuses on success. I thought these people will inspire me to work harder, to stay motivated and help me grow. But when I actually went there, I realized something, that not everyone thinks the same way. Some people were serious about their future, but most of the people were just going with the flow without any clear goals. And that hit me hard because I had placed my expectations on the environment rather than on myself. At first, I felt so disappointed. I questioned myself whether I was in the right place. But then I had a realization. Growth is never dependent on the external factor, it's a personal decision. Waiting for the right environment, right peoples, or right movement will only slow you down. I had these feelings that if I truly want to improve my life, I need to take control of my own journey because nobody else is going to do it for me. So I should stop expecting from others. And that's when the real change began. What I did differently. First, so I just stopped looking for external validation anymore. Second, I just started taking full responsibility for my personal improvement. Third, I started creating small habits which kept me consistent, just like reading, learning, setting goals, and just tracking my progress. And just like I said you that in every video I'll be dropping some messages so that you can also apply it and improve your life. So if you ever felt that you are not in the correct environment or surrounded by the people who don't match your mindset, firstly just don't let that hold you back. Instead, try this. First, you need to be very clear with this thought that you need to be your own source of motivation. Don't wait for others to push you. Create your own habits and just be consistent. Second, seek growth from different resources. There are books, there are podcasts, there are online communities, there are many ways to learn beyond your reach and beyond your limits. Third, start taking full responsibility for your growth. Your growth is in your hand. The sooner you accept that, the faster you will progress. Fourth, stop blaming others for your failures or for any bad situation that has ever happened with you. Even stop blaming the person who has created the situation according to you, because somewhere or the other you have to accept the fact that you have given him the right to ride your life. You trusted that person more than yourself, and just because now the things didn't turn out in the way you were expecting, now you're blaming him. So you need to stop doing that. Fifth, don't just plan, start taking actions as well, because most of the people just keep planning for the things that they are going to do in their life, but they don't do that because they never take actions for that. Sixth point, stay away from those people who don't want to go where you are going. Doesn't matter if you end up being alone. 7. Believe in yourself even when your parents, your friends, your best friend, your colleague, your partner, your cousins are not believing, because they can't dream what you have. So just have this belief in yourself. Then only you can achieve the world. Your environment can only influence you, but it can't transform you. Only you have to do it. Waiting for the right environment to change you, it's just like waiting for the gym membership to get you fit in. It just as if we stop waiting for life to change all by itself and start taking responsibility for our personal growth, then we can see the real progress, not as an individual but as a society. So, what's that one mindset shift that has changed your life? Comment below, I would love to hear that. Also, if you found this video helpful and interesting as well, make sure to like and subscribe for more. See you in the next one. Until then, just keep improving and keep growing.